Hi guys, and welcome back to another DIY video. My name is Regina, and today we are going to work on my kitchen pendant light fixture. All the materials and tools that I use will be linked down below. So if you have not yet watched the recent uploaded video, I also link it here. Please go and watch it. So this is the DIY of how I was able to achieve those pendant lighting. So just follow along. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please watch it up to the end. It really helps boost my channel, and also recommend this video and this channel to other people who may be interested in DIY or love DIY like me and you.
You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know, but I will guide you home. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know, getting hot, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know, but I will guide you home. Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like I've been so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? Panic, panic, I can't help but think that it's meant to be, that I'm finally right where I'm supposed to. If I let you into the secret, would you listen? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels
first time you're getting to interact with my content, karibu sana. We really love DIY lovers here, so remember to subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, DM me huko, let's be friends, eh? I really hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did enjoy making it. Hope it inspires you to start on that DIY project you have been putting off for a while. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.